Homeowners in Rowlett understand the importance of comfort and cost savings, especially when dealing with Texas's warm summers and occasional chilly winters. One of the most effective ways to achieve both is by upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors. These modern solutions not only make your home more comfortable but also significantly reduce monthly utility bills while helping protect the environment. Whether you're building a new home or planning a renovation, investing in energy-efficient upgrades can deliver long-term benefits that go beyond aesthetics. Here's how these smart home improvements can make a big difference in your Rowlett home. The hidden cost of inefficient windows and doors. Older windows and doors are often the biggest culprits when it comes to energy loss. Small gaps, worn-out seals, and outdated materials allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to seep in. This makes your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, especially during the blazing Rowlett summer or a cold front in winter. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, up to 30% of a home's energy use can be wasted through inefficient windows and doors. That wasted energy translates directly into higher utility bills and unnecessary strain on your heating and cooling systems. Replacing outdated fixtures with modern, energy-efficient models helps seal those leaks, improving temperature regulation and drastically reducing energy waste. Advanced insulation for year-round comfort. Energy-efficient windows and doors are designed with multiple layers of protection to keep your home comfortable through every season. Features like low emissivity, glass coatings, argon gas insulation, and thermal breaks in frames help prevent unwanted heat transfer. In the summer, low-E coatings reflect solar heat, keeping interiors cool and reducing the need for constant air conditioning. In the winter, they trap indoor warmth, preventing heat from escaping through the glass. This balance creates a stable indoor environment, meaning your HVAC system doesn't have to run as frequently, lowering your energy consumption and costs. For Rowlett homeowners, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically, this consistent comfort is one of the biggest advantages of upgrading to energy-efficient designs. The role of proper sealing and weather stripping beyond the glass and frame, the installation quality plays a major role in how well your windows and doors perform. Even the most advanced materials won't be effective if they're improperly sealed. Professional installers use precision fitting, weather stripping, and caulking techniques to create a perfect barrier against air leaks, moisture, and dust. This ensures your home stays comfortable and energy efficient for years to come. Proper sealing also helps prevent humidity from entering, protecting your home's structure and reducing the risk of mold or mildew, a common issue in humid Texas climates. Lowering utility bills while helping the environment. Energy-efficient upgrades not only save you money but also reduce your home's environmental impact. By lowering your energy consumption, you're helping decrease the demand on local power grids and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Many homeowners in Rowlett who switch to Energy Star certified windows and doors report saving between 15% and 25% on their annual heating and cooling bills. Over time, those savings can easily offset the initial cost of installation, making it a smart long-term investment. Plus, with Texas increasingly focused on sustainable living, energy-efficient homes often enjoy higher resale values and greater appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Enhancing aesthetics and functionality. Energy-efficient windows and doors aren't just about savings, they also elevate the beauty and usability of your home. Modern designs come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes that complement both traditional and contemporary Rowlett architecture. From sleek sliding patio doors that invite natural light to custom double-pane windows that highlight scenic views, these upgrades enhance your home's look while providing outstanding insulation and durability. They also reduce noise pollution, an added bonus for homeowners near busy streets or community areas. Working with local experts for lasting results. Choosing the right materials and installation team makes all the difference. Local window and door professionals in Rowlett understand the region's climate challenges and can recommend the best energy-efficient options for your home. With expert installation, you'll enjoy maximum performance, comfort, and cost savings, ensuring your investment continues to pay off for years to come. Final thoughts. For Rowlett homeowners, upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors is one of the smartest ways to lower utility bills, increase comfort, and add long-term value to your property. By improving insulation, sealing air leaks, and optimizing energy performance, you can enjoy a quieter, cozier, and more sustainable living environment, all while saving money each month. In a community that values both comfort and smart living, energy-efficient windows and doors are more than just a home improvement. They're a wise investment in the future of your Rowlett home.